morning, everyone. With advances in vehicle electrification and autonomous driving technology, the automotive industry has seen significant changes in recent years. Many new players have entered the market, and the evolution of vehicle architecture has continued at a rapid pace in terms of powertrain and E&E architecture. Also, diverse business models are emerging, such as service subscription and EV charging stations. With all these changes taking place, the automotive industry is reinventing itself, is now entering its next exciting chapter, the age of software-defined vehicle. In the coming years, we expect more changes as we move toward high-performance computing, software dominance in vehicle development, and a richer in-cabin experience. Today, I'm excited to introduce LG VS Company's SDV vision and how our software solution will greatly change your in-cabin experience. At LG VS Company, we envision future automobile as a living space on wheels, powered by our advanced SDV solutions. We like to call these solutions alphaware. Alphaware is the best and leading, innovative, user-centric software solutions. It enriches every aspect of the SDV, from development to the in-cabin experience. And together with LG's affection and intelligence, we aim to create the most immersive and attentive experience. At present, alphaware consists of 4 major categories that we'd like to refer to as baseware, opsware, playware, and metaware, and more category expansion is planned within this year. First, starting with baseware. All modern cars need a reliable OS to handle complex functions across all domains of SDV. It is software backbone of your vehicle. With this in mind, we developed baseware, a collection of versatile software modules that enhance automakers' existing vehicle OS or forms completely new platform. Moving to an opsware. Great software doesn't happen by chance. It is the end product of the people working together from design to deployment, from virtual validation to real-world driving. This is why we have designed our opsware solutions to help developers from the very beginning to build best mobility software. Next, creating new user experience is what we do best. In the SDV, it all starts with our entertainment solutions, known collectively as playware. Powered by our automotive content platform, our playware brings your favorite entertainment into the vehicle cabin for a real home-to-car experience. And finally, enhancing the entire user experience is LG's human-machine interface solutions, which we call metaware. These solutions leverage augmented or mixed reality technology to deliver the most immersive in-cabin experience. This is just a small taste of the excitement our alphaware brings to SDV, with much more to come. With our proven capabilities in high-performance system design, software-oriented architecture, and seamless vehicle communication technology, our mobility software business will be a leading growth driver in coming years. Now for a closer look at how our SDV solution will change your in-cabin experience, I'd like to invite my colleague Marion to the stage.
Thank you, Seokhyun. How are LG's car computing hardware and software solutions redefining your spatial experience? I want you to picture yourself behind the wheels of a car equipped with LG's cutting-edge digital cockpit system, display, AR/MR platform, AI, and 5G telematics technology. As soon as you get into your seat, your car recognizes you through affectionate intelligence, displaying your own personalized screen to greet you. Pretty cool, right? Once your navigation is set up to your preferred destination, and while driving, you and your passengers can easily monitor what's going on at home. You can even check in on your pets and feed them too. Some retail therapy online won't hurt, would it? It's all up to you. Let me ask you this. Have you ever taken an unfamiliar route? No need to worry. With our AR/MR platform in place, navigating to your destination becomes much simpler and fun. After driving for quite some time, your kids can doze off in the back seat. The car will suggest turning off the rear displays and lowering the volume to help keep the kids asleep. Numerous pieces of information collected from inside and outside the vehicle sensors, such as driving data, temperature, light, and battery status, are quickly processed by LG's advanced 5G telematics technology. LG's various connectivity solutions guarantee you an always connected experience, even in the middle of the desert. There is limitless potential and possibilities when it comes to car computing. With ACP, which is WebOS based, you can explore a whole new realm of in-cabin content. LG ACP serves as an in-vehicle entertainment hub. Powered by WebOS, it enables real-time streaming, bringing high-definition videos and music into your car and delivering the same exceptional sound and display quality you're used to at home. Now, don't blame us if you like your car more than your home. With ACP, a dull moment can be turned into a fun and exciting experience. LG closely collaborated with entertainment services like Netflix and YouTube, and Hyundai Motor Group as well, to bring you the most immersive entertainment experience on the road. Our ACP integrates seamlessly with automakers' IVI platform, and it comes with a wealth of apps from our content partners, which benefits our customers and their customers too. ACP integration also smooths the way for novel business models, such as subscription services and content advertising. As you have seen today, LG is preparing a range of SDV solutions that will present OEMs with new opportunities while also enhancing driving convenience and safety for users. All of us at LG are committed to enhancing your quality of life and are ready to deliver a much, much better experience on the road. LG Vehicle Solutions' vision to create a living space on wheels powered by LG Aware is now coming alive. So stay tuned.